This is the deck. And the big window. And the door. And there's a screen door. You come in. There's the armoire. And then there's stairs, or a little ladder that goes up into the loft. And then when you first come in the door, there's kind of like this area. This would be the downstairs. We put the couch in here somewhere. This is next to the door. The screen door. I guess put the dresser in here. And then if you come up the stairs, here's the loft. It looks really big, but it's really not. This will be our bed. I'll just put a mattress up there and it'll be one giant bed. If you come back down, the bathroom's in here. Just nice. And then the view, obscured. The main house is obscured, but you can see the lawn. And there's Goldie.